Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and my channel name is Criddlebubs and I thank you for stopping by. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul, just some things I've collected over the last week or two, as well as the Dollarama craft ideas I informed you about. So I have two projects to share with you at the end of the video, so stay tuned for those. So let's jump into Dollar Tree. So I'll start with some of the Christmas items. I did pick up a Hallmark Christmas card to mail out to a friend I haven't seen in several months, and so I just wanted to send that off to her. It has real nice saying inside, so I was really happy, and who doesn't love a glittery card in the mail? So I got her that. I love these tags, so I picked up that. There are 25 pieces in there, so I just thought they were a real nice just collection of tags. So I grabbed those for more Christmas wrapping, and I always love these boxes, so I grabbed the largest size, and I do put clothing articles in these ones. So the funny and awesome thing is you get the print on the inside and on the lid. So I mean, hopefully the receiver can use these as display in their own home after they've received the gift. So it's just kind of a dual purpose gift box. I picked up these 3 sponges for my boys. I just like them because they're not the poof, but they're more structured. So they're really they're pretty firm, which to me, I think they might stay together better and last longer. So I did get the red, blue, and gray. I really like those. The tag on those is branded towards the men as well, so assured for men. So I grabbed those. I picked up these Pom Poms. They've been out for a little while, but anyone who has the long gnome sign that came out, there were 2 versions for the Christmas sign of all the gnomes lined up in a row. The one with the plaids, somebody kind of upscaled their sign and they put these little pom-poms in place of the painted ones that are on the sign, so it just added some dimension. So I thought I'd grab a pack of those because they were the plaid kind of neutral colors, so I thought these would be perfect to add on to that sign. I'll show you when I'm finished. And they came back out with these pens. If you've never tried the gel pens, they're amazing. I love these so much. And for some reason, I don't recall them having this white pen before. It's actually silver. But yeah, so these are the full ones. They've come out with the mini ones before, and they do have the full ones, but I was glad that they're back again. They write beautifully, just sparkly, and if you haven't tried them, pick them up. You won't be sorry. Bic, the 4 colors, I find these are really expensive in regular Walmarts or even Dollarama. They're hard to come by. This will be $2.50, $3 at Dollarama. And I had picked up a pastel one with the purple lilac barrel at Dollarama, probably a year or so ago, and I've yet to come across it again, and it was $1.50, but I love it so much I wanted a backup, and I haven't found it yet. But Dollar Tree now has the neutral color, but it also comes with yellow ink, if you can see that. Sorry for I'm still trying to maneuver my lighting. But yeah, it says yellow ink, so you get your 3 standard colors there plus a yellow. So I thought I'd give that a try. So I picked up 2 of these while I seen them, because that's a great deal for the 4 ink barrel. One of my Canadian stores had these back. I've seen them maybe 8 months ago and picked up a few, and now this one store that hadn't carried them yet finally had some arrive, so I grabbed 2 or 3 more of these. People make little red trucks out of them, so that's why I was grabbing those. People have even made like 2 or 3 foot tall reindeers out of these guys. Like, it's amazing what people come up with up here to make out of these. So yeah, I just want to make some of the more little red trucks. I did one in the past and it was maybe 10 blocks and it was so cute. So I want to make maybe a little bit bigger one and maybe paint it black and then obviously carry it on through the different holidays and seasons. But yeah, so I grabbed some of those. I did find, finally, my store had the candy jars, so I just grabbed one. It'll be a nice display for Christmas candy when I have family over. So I picked that up. And I never seen this scarf yet. And so I picked that one up. And I like how they're putting the glitter in the holiday scarves this year. So can you see? Yeah, look at how gorgeous that is. So it's the buffalo plaid and they got the gold glitter in it this time around. So yes, I love that. Pick that up. I'll head into the beauty now. Health and beauty. So a new flavor of the Sepacol. So this one is for sore throat and blocked nose. So in there you're getting 16 lozenges, and these ones, they definitely totally numb your throat. So if you don't like that feeling, don't try Sepacol, but they like numb your throat like it's freezing when you get it at the dentist, for example. It just thaws your, or numbs your neck right up. So anyways, that's how I take it anyways. LA Colors Roller Lip Gloss. So there was 4 flavors. So I just grabbed the coconut and the mint. There was also strawberry and grape. But I thought, resist, Crystal, until you try them. And if you like them, then you can get the other 2 flavors, because everyone knows how much I like my lip balms. So, and the roller ones, especially the roller lip smackers, oh my gosh, I love them so much. There was a time frame where Dollar Tree just couldn't stop supplying them and putting them out on the shelf. So my favorites are the candy floss and the bubble gum. I love them. So I'm hoping these might somewhat compare to them, but I thought I'd give them a try. And then so many people I see with their manicures this year are having the nice hunter green matte finish, and so I've been looking and looking for hunter green nail polish. But you know me, I'm not going to spend $10 on a bottle of nail polish. So I finally found a Dollar Tree that had the hunter green, but it is glittery, so I'll give it a try. It's Tivoli. So yeah, I just thought it was a real pretty color for the Christmas season, so I'm going to give that a whirl. Yes 2 came out with, I've only found this at one store, and I'm like, these are going to fly off the shelf. And when I went back about 4 days later to the same store, I couldn't believe they were still some there, because they only had maybe 15 packs on the shelf at the time, and the first time around I grabbed 5 of them. Look at this. These are the peel-off masks, but let me show you. Look how thick that box is. This is 10, can you see that? 10 single masks. 10 masks in here for $1.25. You're paying that for 1 mask. And now they have this, oh my gosh, this combo pack with 10. So yeah, you're just opening it, pull this back, and out comes 1 mask at a time. And they are the black charcoal paper mask, detoxifying. 10 masks. And like I said, I've only seen it at one store. Just like those cheese crisps I've showed you guys previously. I've only seen them at one store. Has anyone else come across them yet? Because sometimes I wonder if Dollar Trees like only get a supply at their store. I don't know how it works because I've not seen the cheese crisps anywhere else, and I haven't seen anyone else haul them yet online. And so yeah, this was another great find. Is this a one of at my stores? I don't know, but I grabbed the deal. I was lucky I found it. So yeah, I was so happy. They came out with a bunch of new e.l.f. products again. So this one is liquid matte lipstick, and the color is Blushing Rose. So I love these. They go on so smooth and they're not sticky, and I just loved it. So this is more of like a taupey brown, even though it says blush, but I thought I'd give that one a whirl. This is a monochromatic multi-stick, luminous berry it is called, and they suggest it for your, where did I read that earlier? Eyes, lips, cheek. So multi-purpose on that. I did open it up and it is a pink tone. I didn't swatch it or anything, but yeah, so that is new. Prep and Blur Stick. It's sheer and transparent. So that's also something new. I don't know what it's all about, but I grabbed it. So there's that one, and then a new tool, retractable Kabuki brush. So it looks like there's a case. Let's open this up and see. Oops. Okay, there. Yes. Okay, so you get the brush, and it looks like you get the lid. Okay, it just pulls up and down, and then you're good to go. Take it on the go with you. That is awesome. Isn't that good? I love that. That's really great. So yeah, again, that was the packaging. Retractable Kabuki brush. So good. Okay, I love that. And then a men's grooming kit. So 4 pieces in there. Tweezers, nail clippers, little scissor, and comb. So fantastic deal. Again, geared towards the men, assured for men. So that's a stocking stuffer. Going into some of the cooking aisle, 227 gram can of baking powder. Just in time for Christmas baking. I needed some too, so what a deal! $1.25. Baking powder's not cheap when you go to the grocery store, so I grabbed that. I grabbed this when I seen it restocked. I love this cutting board. It's so little and convenient and easily washes up. Great size. It's better than kind of the smaller mini or wooden ones, but yeah, so I love that. Picked that one up. The Mana's a brand name. A lot of the water bottles are sold at Canadian Tire, so brand name Mana. So these are the silicone straws with the cleaner. So I have a couple sets of silicone straws. I have not opened any of them yet. I've grabbed some over the years. I'm just not on board yet. I still love my plastic straws. Can't stand the paper straws that they're serving now out of the takeout or fast food aisles. Especially Tim Hortons, if you're having an ice cap or something, they just melt and fall apart and you can't finish your drink. And I understand the whole turtle, you know, save the turtles thing, but they got to do something better than paper. And finally, HP sauce, bold. So this is a nice size, 400 ml bottle of HP for $1.25. And so that wraps up my Dollar Tree haul. Let me show you my 2 crafts I picked up and kind of put together from Dollarama. So I told you about these wooden shapes, the ornaments, and I showed you the gnome napkins that I bought. So there it is put together. So it comes out so cute, and all 3 gnomes fit on there. The bottom didn't kind of jive with the print cut off, so I just added a little piece of sparkly ribbon at the bottom, and I just think it's really cute. So yeah, I only put one together for now to show you how it looks. So sweet. And then, oh, I'm in love. You guys have to run and grab this. Wait till you see it. So this was the Paper Craft, the Joy Wreath. There was two. I've put together only the one so far. Wow, wait till you see this. And I didn't even, let me first show you, I didn't even use everything. I left some of the extra pieces in there. So put it together to how you want it to turn out. Look at this, guys. I love, love, love this. Look at the dimension on this. Look at how pretty the ferns and everything took. I mean, looked. I love this. I am in love. The sparkly, glittery gold berries up there. I love this. I love this so much. So good. What was I gonna say? It took longer to take these paper cutouts out of the full sheets than it did to assemble it. I assembled from the board to all the gluing and everything. I assembled it in 20 minutes. It was quick, easy to go, like putting together the bow, arranging the beautiful greenery. Took 20 minutes to put together. It took me over an hour. But don't let that dissuade you from buying it. But look at, it's just gorgeous. I can't get over this. I love it so much. So that is my little share from Dollarama. That was my Dollar Tree haul. And I hope you found something that you can go find and get it on your wish list and succeed in finding it. Guys, thank you so much for joining me again. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.